Breaking news, y'all, the banking world is finally welcoming some excitement buzzing, as the Bank of England has just given the thumbs up to a massive $8.6 billion takeover deal between two Swiss banking giants, UBS and Credit Suisse. That's right, the Swiss authorities have engineered this mega merger to support financial stability, and the Bank of England is all for it. In fact, they're confident that the UK's banking system is well capitalized and funded and will not be like the US, which means you can rest assured, your hard-earned cash is in good hands. The UBS and Credit Suisse both have units based in London, and both are regulated by the FCA and the Prudential Regulation Authority. So, if you're looking for a reliable bank to invest your money in, look no further. The FCA is on board with this deal, and the US Federal Reserve and European Central Bank are also backing it. This news couldn't have come at a better time, given the recent collapses of Silicon Valley Bank and Signature Bank earlier this month. But don't you worry, the British government is fully committed to ensuring the health of the broader banking system. So, sit back, relax, and as always, to stay safe, traders. Wikifx, a global broker regulatory inquiry app. See you soon.